So what I have here is my home built case feeder for 9mm brass. This is just a simple little case feeder. This is a 3-gallon bucket that I've trimmed down so that, you know, I have a place to dump rounds. In here I have a simple piece that sits inside of here. There's a 4 RPM motor that's mounted inside this box down here. And notice that I have a Arduino microcontroller up here controlling much of the behavior. If we look inside the case feeder, you'll notice that that's not spinning. I have an adapter here with a 12-volt adapter that you simply plug in here and you start to see it spinning. Okay, take a handful of brass. So this is nothing stellar, right? We all know how this guy works, right? And you see him kind of falling down here. Yeah, I went and got a little catch tub so that as the brass falls out, I have a place to catch him in. And unplug the motor for now. You can just see that going in here. What I've done here is, you notice there is, you may not be able to see it really well, but there is a angled piece of plastic that's controlled by the set screw, and that literally pushes that piece of plastic in and out, and that way the rounds get funneled by size down inside there. And you'll notice that there's an LED light down there, and I'll explain that in a second. So if we go ahead and plug this guy back in, you'll start to see them dropping easily into the feed hole. That drops them down in through my custom built little plastic acrylic funnel. Where this gets really interesting is if we go look at the software here, you'll see that I have the Arduino software here, where I've actually written some software that tracks that box, tracks the case feeder. And if you notice inside there, you have this LED light. And that LED light on the other side, over in this area, I'm going to flip back over here, you'll see there is a photocell that's buried in there, and I painted it black so that light doesn't bleed through from the outside. And that thing is measuring the light that comes through there, and we'll see whenever a round drops through. What I've written the software to do is, if I go ahead and open up the I need to plug in the USB device here. So if I open up, you'll see where it says starting. I'll take another handful of brass. And notice that you see them being counted as they fall through. And that's it. And that's simply powered by that little Arduino device there.